Imagine a world where quiet speaks volumes. Today, we travel to a peaceful place to learn a secret from a wise teacher. This secret can bring you calm and happiness. Stay tuned to discover the power of silence. Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how silence can be a powerful tool for finding peace within ourselves. We'll learn from a Zen master, a kind of teacher who focuses on finding inner peace. Many years ago, in a beautiful valley in Japan, lived a wise teacher named Sogin. People came from all over to learn from him. One day, a worried soldier named Kenji came to Sogin. "Master," Kenji said, "I feel stressed and restless all the time. How can I find peace?" Sogin invited Kenji to sit beside him by a flowing stream. They sat quietly, listening only to the sound of the water. As time passed, Kenji started to relax. Finally, Kenji spoke. "Master, I haven't said a word, but I feel much calmer. How did this happen?" Sogin smiled. "Sometimes," he said, "we don't need words to understand. In silence, we can listen with our hearts. This is where we find true peace. Carry this quiet feeling with you, and it will help you find calm in any situation." Just like Kenji, we can all benefit from a little silence in our lives. It's a safe space to take a break from the noise and busyness of the world. When we're quiet, we can breathe deeply, think clearly, and connect with our true selves. Silence also teaches us patience. It's like waiting after a storm for the dust to settle. In the quiet, we can find new ideas, just like beautiful flowers blooming in a still pond. Silence can also help our relationships. Sometimes, listening without words helps us understand others better. It builds a bridge between hearts, stronger than any words can say. Let's try to include some quiet time in our day. Start with just 5 minutes in the morning. Sit quietly and watch the sunrise. Let the peacefulness of the morning fill you up for the rest of the day. During your day, find other moments to be still and enjoy the quiet. Maybe on a walk, during a break at work, or before bed. These quiet moments can be your little havens of peace. There are different ways to experience silence. Sometimes, it's about creating quiet around us. We can turn off our phones, find a peaceful place in nature, or simply close our eyes in a quiet room. Other times, silence is more about calming our inner noise. This is where practices like meditation come in. Meditation helps us focus our attention and let go of distracting thoughts. It can be as simple as sitting comfortably and focusing on our breath. Even short bursts of silence and meditation can have a big impact. Here are a few ideas to try. Mindful commute. If you travel by bus or train, use that time for quiet reflection. Focus on the sights and sounds around you, or simply observe your breath. Tech timeout. Set aside specific times each day to disconnect from technology. This could be during meals, before bed, or even just for a few minutes in the afternoon. Nature walk. Take a walk in nature and focus on the sounds of birds singing, leaves rustling, or the wind blowing. Remember, don't get discouraged if it feels difficult at first. It takes practice to become comfortable with silence. Start small and gradually increase the amount of quiet time you incorporate into your day. By embracing silence, you'll likely experience a range of benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, increased creativity and problem-solving skills, better sleep, stronger relationships. Ready to give silence a try? We encourage you to start small and find what works best for you. Remember, even a few minutes of quiet time each day can make a big difference. This video is just the beginning of your journey with silence. Just like Kenji and the Zen master, may silence be your friend on your path to finding inner calm. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful exploration. If you enjoyed this message, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a mindful life. Until next time, may the quiet moments between the sounds of life bring you joy and peace. As we say goodbye, take a moment for silence. Let it wash over you, calming your mind and revealing the wisdom that whispers within. Until next time, friends, find peace in the quiet.